Hey everyone, Morgan here. Today I'm going to be doing a prep cook video. So we're going to be cooking with some of our food storage, how to make certain things with your food storage. This one in particular is really good for kids, but it's good for like just a sweet treat as well. Now, I have not tasted this yet or made it, so this is the first time I'm making it. But this came from a recipe from a book that I'm going to put down below if you want to check it out for yourself. It's a food storage it's a food storage cookbook. Anyway, so I'm going to get Kid Rogue to try this as soon as you're done, but it's super simple. Let me show you the simple ingredients. So we have rice, just a 1 cup of rice, and instead of 2 cups of water, we're doing 1 cup of water and then 1 cup of evaporated milk. And then we're going to do 2 tablespoons of sugar and then a little bit of cinnamon. It says 1 to 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, but I just put in whatever I want because cinnamon's delicious. More cinnamon is not bad. And then you could have some dried fruit on top, like raisins or whatever dried fruit. We have raisins. In food, when it comes to food storage and raisins, you definitely want some sort of oxygen absorber here with the raisins because they will go rancid, and you really want to switch these out often, you know. But keep it in a good Mylar bag, oxygen absorber, but rotate that out often as that can go rancid pretty quick. So, okay, so what we're doing is we're just going to add everything in here like you would normally cook the rice, right? So we're going to be adding the milk and the cinnamon and the sugar, and we're going to mix it up. And then we're just going to cook the rice exactly how we would normally cook it. Since we all have rice in our food storage, this would be a nice little sweet treat, you know, and it's super simple. We should all have, you know, spices like cinnamon and stuff. And if you don't, cinnamon's a great spice to have around. Lots of cinnamon. We get like big jars of it. We get little jars like this, and then we get some big jars. And then we always have evaporated or condensed milk. Either is okay. And then, you know, we always have sugar. So, you know, the dried fruit and the raisins are really the kind of outlier here. But we also store those. Okay, get a good close look at this. It smells like cinnamon bread. It smells so good. It looks really good. I've never had this before, so let's give her a try, and we'll get Kid Rogue to try it too. Okay, I'm going to taste test it first, just make sure it's edible. This is really good. It's like the cinnamon isn't too strong, but it's just enough. Well, I love cinnamon anyway, but with the condensed milk and everything, this is really, really good. It's like a little rice pudding, kind of. It is so tasty. Let's go see if Kid Rogue will like it. Yeah, get in there. What do you think?
You like it?
Good? Yeah, going back for more. Good girl. So at this point, you can add the raisins on top or dried fruit or whatever, but honestly, it really doesn't even need it. It is so good. This is like hitting the sweet spot. It's so easy and perfect, and it makes, you know, it makes a lot. You know, plenty. So anyway, success. I'm going to put the recipe down below in the description, as well as the book and the cookbook where this recipe is at, along with a whole bunch of other recipes for food storage. Thank you all so much for watching. Conquer tomorrow by preparing today. Talk to you all tomorrow. Bye.